It's an important point for us to keep in mind as we design the overall program.
African governments and investors must urgently scale up mechanization, irrigation and skills if the continent is to secure its food future and country lands on imports. Now, this was the central call from policymakers, diplomats and development partners meeting earlier today in Nairobi as Africa and Europe renewed push for deeper cooperation in agri-food investment. Now, according to the speakers, technology partnerships between Africa and Europe are no longer optional, but essential for productivity and resilience.
Agriculture and livestock remain the backbone of Kenya's economy, contributing approximately 22% of GDP, accounting for nearly half of economic activity through forward and backward linkages, and supporting close to 70% of employment.
It's important to establish business to business, come the private investor in Romania to understand what make agriculture in Romania, what is the possibility to promote the sustainable agriculture, make investment in irrigation and increase your production, because in this moment Kenya imports 2 million tons of the wheat.
The presence of two vice ministers from Romania to this conference, one from Ministry of Foreign Affairs and one from the Ministry of Agriculture, shows the importance that Romania gives to our bilateral relations with Kenya, but also to African continent.
Insurance firms are